Hello, hello, friend of the planet. I am here in Middle Forest. Yes, my name is John. Yes, John from Brazil. All right. Yes, I am happy because I have many friends around the planet. Yes, because somebody watch me now in world. Yeah, I am happy because I love the nature. I love my planet. Yes, protecting the planet. Always protecting the nature. Always protecting the, my planet. Not us, another planet for us. Yes, not us, another planet for us. My planet. You planet. I love you. Bye. John Brazil. Thank you for following me here in Facebook. Thank you, friends around the planet. You is very matter for me. You is the best ever. Bye, John, Brazil. In Middle Forest. Yes. I love the nature. I love my planet. Not us, another planet for us. Is unique world with life in the universe. Not is lie, it's truth. Bye, John Brazil.